How do you delete a Facebook business page from your account on a mobile phone? Well, the first thing you need to do is make sure you are acting as yourself. So there's me at the top. Click on the bottom right hand corner of your mobile. This is on an iPhone, so that you get to this menu page. Then go to the pages option. Go to the actual account you want. Now here, I want to delete this summer 2023 one, and it will say switch now, because when you are deleting a Facebook business page, you do need to be acting as that page. So go ahead and click switch now, and that's going to take us into that particular Facebook page. Then go back down to the bottom right hand side and scroll down on this menu page to settings and privacy. Then go to settings. Now this is the settings for your Facebook business page. As you can see, it says page settings for summer 2023. So this is a Facebook page we're managing. So click on that. And then what we want to do is, you can see there's lots of different options here, but what we actually want to do is go to access and control. And it says here deactivation or deletion. So click on that. And today I want to delete this page. So I'm going to click delete page and click continue. Give an answer. Whatever you want, whatever the reason is that you're deleting it. I'm just going to click I spend too much time, and I'm going to click continue. So permanently delete your page. If you want to save posts, you can. If you want to download information, you can. If you want to transfer information, you can. I don't actually have anything on this page because I created it as a training page. So I'm going to go ahead and click continue. So now I need to confirm that this is your page. So yes, this is me. So now I have to enter my password for my Facebook account. Okay, go ahead and paste your password in and then click continue. So do you want to delete your page? So this is where you just say, yes, I want to delete it. Click continue. Delete this page. The following page will be deleted and you will be switched to Anita Wong, which is my personal account. You can reactivate within 30 days by logging in as Anita Wong and going to the account settings. So I'm going to go ahead and click delete page, and it's going to delete the page for me. And there the page is gone, and it's taken me straight back to my personal account. Now to check that the page is gone, just go back to that menu page, click on pages. And there you can see there is no summer 2023 page left on my account. Don't forget, if you've enjoyed this video on how to delete your Facebook business page using your mobile phone, then smash that subscribe button, like the video, and do feel free to share it with anyone who wants to delete their Facebook page as well. And if you have any questions, drop them below this video because I'll be sure to answer them as soon as I see them. Thanks very much. My name's Anita Wong, and I will see you in the next video.